Brooklyn. I'm Colson. Welcome to BNC being kids.
What are we doing today?
We're getting in the tent and having a sleepover, and we're gonna cook on the fire.
We're gonna cook hot dogs.
Yeah, and marshmallows.
Roast marshmallows? Are you excited?
I can't say that.
You can't say what?
Do you want me to say it with you? It's cold.
They are cold. We're gonna cook them and get them hot.
No, they don't. You never get them hot.
Never get them hot? Yes.
Or they will be so burning.
We're not gonna burn them. We're just gonna cook them. You ready?
These are so, not... What's that noise?
I think it's a motorcycle.
I think it's a fire truck.
You think it's a fire truck?
No, the fire trucks go wee wee. Do they?
Yeah.
I was right.
Alright, are we ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Look at the trees.
Somebody get the hot dogs and somebody get the sticks.
I'm gonna get both. Wait, it is a motorcycle. It is. I see a motorcycle.
Fire.
There.
Let's go see it. Come on.
I'm gonna want while y'all cooking. Okay.
Okay.
I see blue fire.
This fire?
Let's go over there. Come on.
Here.
What?
You see the green fire?
Something's happening. Is it about the rain?
Look, you see the blue fire?
Huh? What does that mean?
You ready? Oh no. Well, what's that?
I see some blue in there.
You see blue?
Uh-huh.
Colson, come here, buddy. Come here. You still
Okay,
watch me?
we gotta get our hot dogs on the sticks.
Ah!
Let me see the sticks.
Come here, buddy.
Oh, how's that marshmallow?
Good. Pretty good. Ah! That's really hot.
Marshmallow bop.
Boop.
Boop. Marshmallow bop me.
Boop him.
You boot me. Boot me.
Boop. Colson, what'd you think about that marshmallow, buddy? Is it delicious?
Uh-huh.
How's that marshmallow?
Mm-hmm.
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 Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Do you happy dance, Brooklyn?
What?
Do you happy dance? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Get it, Brooklyn.
Like, if I'm cooking marshmallows, I do this.
Oh, that's your happy dance cooking marshmallows?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty awesome. Coles, can you show me your happy dance? Oh, get it, buddy. Get it, buddy.
And if I cook and
Shake that
bake it, I
booty.
do this.
Oh.
You want another one, Colson?
I squat down.
Colson, let me see that face, bud.
You want one with chocolate in it?
Yes!
Let me see yours.
Don't fight it.
I'm not. Now be careful. You can take it off if you want.
Not hers, because her don't want it. Can I have very hot? Can I have
Just
her?
take your hand and just pull it off. Like
What do
that.
you want?
Look.
Can I have that?
Perfect.
That's mine.
Ooh.
Try it. It's got chocolate.
Can I have Brooklyn's?
You
You
can
want
cook
another
another one, bud. You want one with chocolate in it or a
One without
regular one?
chocolate.
A regular.
A regular one.
What's
Okay.
a regular one?
Brooklyn has that one with chocolate inside. Is it delicious?
Look. That's chocolate there.
What?
Look, there's chocolate there.
I don't know. Take a yummy
Do you like that one better or do you like the regular one
I
better?
got one.
You like that one better with the chocolate?
And I like my own. And another one.
Here it
And
comes,
another marshmallow.
Here it comes, buddy.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Marshmallow. Yeah. Brooklyn.
It's on fire.
Look. Colson, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this?
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Are you sure?
I'm
Sure.
sure. I'm sure.
You gotta do your shaky booty dance.
Colson, here it is, buddy. Time to get messy.
What do you say? Colson, what do you say?
You'll be wiping off, are
Hey,
you?
you don't like it?
You want the chocolate?
I want mine
Is it hot? It's warm. It just finished cooking. But you gotta say thank you.
I really want to hold on with this finger. I really need to wipe off it.
Wipe it in the
I
grass.
don't like.
No.
It's okay. You make you another one?
Uh-oh. We had a marshmallow casualty.
Can I wipe that?
No,
Can I wipe that?
No, ma'am.
Wipe it in the grass.
We're gonna wash our hands when we go inside.
Wash it in the grass. Wash it in the grass. Use the grass. Isn't that better?
I don't
And
want
still.
that one. Not that again.
You want the chocolate or not chocolate?
Not chocolate. Only that one.
Don't step in that one. Don't step in that marshmallow on the ground.
Hand me a big one.
Very good. Very good. I don't want it. I don't want it. I wish we could put that right here.
All this sugar before bed. This is great. Is this a good idea, bud? Uh-huh.
Just another sugar Saturday night.
Just another sugar Saturday
I don't
night.
want this anymore.
You don't want that one? Did you drop the marshmallow in the fire?
Marshmallow? It's gone. Show Mama the sad marshmallow face.
Wait, it's behind
Mm-mm.
You'll be put on fire and put it in your mouth.
You want me to do that?
Mommy, I don't want it anymore. Do you want it? Do you want it? Colson? So delicious. Has chocolate in it.
That's really good with the burnt. So
I love
yummy.
burnt marshmallows.
Who's
They're my
saying
favorite.
it then? I'm about to throw in the grass.
Do it.
No,
What?
don't.
Get off the beach.
Let me see something. Let me see it. You ready? You ready for this?
I do not want chocolate. I just want to cook my own butter.
Go on. Oh.
How was that?
It's so good.
another marshmallow.
Colt, what you think?
Some chocolate one?
Hey, Colson, how old are you? What? How old are you?
Apple.
Excuse me. I'm gonna take that marshmallow.
3.
You're 3.
Mommy, I just want it like this.
How old are you?
4.
And how old are you about to be?
5.
What? You don't want to cook it? You want to eat it just like that?
I do like the chicken breast one. Really good.
Okay.
Get it, girl.
Get it, get it.
Alright. Wait.
Hey, where are we sleeping tonight?
In the tent.
In the tent?
Mhm.
Colson. Colson, are you ready to sleep in a tent? Are you ready to sleep in the tent? Are you gonna camp? Stop. But where are we gonna put the tent?
In my room.
Because it's gonna be kind of rainy tonight, huh? We're having an indoor camping party. Ooh, 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 ooh.
In your mouth.
On top of spaghetti.
Wait, can I see? Can I see?
I lost my formie.
Can I see? Hey, I'm gonna say see. I need the light. Need the light.
Me too. We're gonna go inside and get all cleaned up, okay? Oh, you're gonna wipe them in the grass. All right.
You ready to go eat your hot dog?
Yeah. Yeah. I need my hot dog.
Hot dog.
Hot dog diggity.
You go eat that hot dog?
Hot dog
Let me see the hot dog booty shuffle. Do it, boy.
I like this.
Do that booty shuffle. Go, buddy.
Watch how it can go fast, Greg. Watch how it can go fast, Greg. Greg.
Is that
Watch
yummy?
how it can go fast. Greg, watch how it can go fast.
I'm watching.
Watch
Show.
how it can-
Go, Spider. Too fast, man. Too fast. Slow down. Go faster.
I'm gonna do like I Jana. I'm gonna do like that.
Yeah.
The marshmallow and make it be so fast. I'm gonna do it again with the marshmallow because Mommy didn't see me. She was taking a
Whoa,
shower.
Colson's so fast.
Oh no, it's making me really fast. Oh no. Watch me. I want my hot dog. Can I have my
Is this
hot
fun?
dog?
Yeah?
My hot dog.
Is that the most delicious marshmallow you've ever had in your life?
I want to see on the back right here. Oh, it's off?
Whoop.
It's raining.
Yep, it's starting to rain. That's why we gotta have our indoor camping, huh?
I'll come back, but first let me drop on 3 steps and then I come in to eat it.
Okay. Oh, you want me to hold this? Okay. Wow.
I'm so brave. Mom watch me. I can do that. I'm so brave.
You are so brave.
I can do on 3 steps. 3 steps? Can I see? No, you do. I'm just scared. I already done it. Well, can I see again because I don't see? I'll hold my marshmallow. Did you just do it? No. That's good. Three, 2, 1.
That was weird.
Jump. I can do that. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. I'm ready. Colson! Can I have my marshmallow?
All right, what are we doing?
We're getting ready to have a sleepover. Yeah.
In the what?
In the dark.
In the tent?
In the tent. And is it gonna be light up?
We'll see.
Okay.
Are we camping out? Are we doing an indoor camping?
Yes!
Okay, are we ready to go see it?
Uh-huh. This one's yours. Oh, yeah. And this one's mine. You got mine.
Is this where you're gonna sleep tonight?
Yeah. Hey, I want to sit in my seat.
You wanna come sit in your chair?
Yeah.
Okay, come sit in your chair.
Whoa, a light.
It's your campfire.
A campfire? Are we just pretending that it is?
Look, it looks like a fire.
Are we pretending that it is?
It's not really hot.
It's just a little bit hot.
It's not hot. Oh! Oh!
That didn't hurt at all.
I'm so glad.
I don't go. We can't run cups in here because we have cup holders.
You sure do have cup holders. Are you super excited?
Yes, I'm about to freak out right now.
Colson, are you super excited?
Yeah.
Do you want to sleep in the tent with them?
I'm about to
Sure.
let's
I can fit in there.
Do you want Brooklyn to fit in there with you?
What?
Do you want Greg to sit in there with you?
No, it's our camping sleepover.
It's your camping sleepover? Okay, we'll go get in there.
No, we're making a fire.
Oh, okay, you're making a fire first.
Cause see, we just started out.
Oh, warm your hands up by the fire. Oh, does that feel good?
Get warm, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh, you about to fall over again. Oh, does that feel good, bud?
Now you need to touch me, say right here, right? Or do you need to touch it right here?
You just keep your hands close to it and
I'm
warm
gonna
them up.
let my sperm. Oh, that's really hot.
Do it, Colson.
That's really so warm. Oh, okay, that's good.
Oh.
I'm sleep. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep, Colson. I'm kind of sleepy. Are you kind of sleepy? I'm kind of sleepy. I'm still making a fire. I'm gonna go sleep. Mommy, can you close this? Can you zip this?
Yep, you ready to zip it up?
Yes.
Do you want to zip up that one or the blue one that makes it, like, closes it all the way?
Yes.
The blue one?
Yeah. I'm coming.
Oh, like Colson in. Okay, bye. See you later.
Bye. See you later.
Hey, champ.
Okay.
Colson. Hey, buddy.
Oh, that feels kind of warm. You feel it. Okay. Now, Colson, you can't touch it all the way. It'll burn your hands. That kind of feels good. Does it? You can't touch it. It's really hot. It'll burn you off. Your finger off, like your whole body. Okay? I'm gonna kick it the tent. Okay, zip the tent. Yeah, I'll do it. Colson.
Good night.
Good night.
Sleep tight.
Okay.
Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Okay.
do,
If they do,
hit them with a shoe.
hit it with a shoe. Oh no. Okay. Ah! Look, they come back over here! Hey, Greg. Greg, why are you doing it?
What are you doing? What?
That.
So you don't see me?
Hey, Greg. Hey, Greg, can you let us out? No, wait. I know that it's you. Or I'm closing this one. I'm zipping this one. If they do. Oh, let's go get our dinosaur. Hey, Greg. Hey, Greg. Can you do the sides again? This is BNC Being Kids. This
Who
is
are you?
BNC Being Kids. Brooklyn. And I'm Brooklyn. I'm Colson. Welcome to BNC Being Kids. Welcome to BNC and Kids. I said it.